All right, this is Hams from the patio, and we are dividing fractions. So don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do it. And so let's get started here. When dividing fractions, we just simply take the first fractions and we'll change the operation from division to multiplication. And then I just flip the second fraction. Then we can just simply straight multiply. And within the process, if there's any simplification that you can do, then we can do the simplification. So let's look at this first example. We have 1/10 divided by 2/5. And so what I'll do is just, let's write the first fraction down, 1/10. And then we'll change the operation from division here to multiplication. And we'll flip the second fraction, and some people call this keep change flip. That was after my time. I'm a little old school. And now you can just straight multiply here. You can have 1 times 5 is 5, and 10 times 2 is 20. And then we can simplify this to 1/4. 5 goes into 5 one time, and 5 goes into 24 times. Or you can begin, before you begin with the multiplication, you can simplify also. Here where the 5 goes into 5 one time and 5 goes into 10 two times. And then we just simply still just straight multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. And here 2 times 2 is 4. So either way, it works. Uh, doesn't matter. Some people say simplify first. Some people say straight multiply. As long as you get the question right. And that's what I'm all about, just getting it right. All right. And so next question, we have 1/4 divided by 3/2. So again, we'll take the first fraction, change it to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And again, you can simplify here. 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 4 two times, and 2 times 3 is 6 and get 1/6. Or again, you can just simply straight multiply. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 3 is 12, and now you can simplify afterwards. 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 goes into 12 6 times. And so we have 1/6 for our answer. So again, you could have did this 2 and then the 1 and 2 here and get 1/6 also. All right, let's move on to the next question. Again, we have 4/15, and we'll change from division to multiplication, and we'll flip the second fraction. All right, and then this one I'll simplify. Who wants to do 15 times 12, right? So we can just do 4 times 5 and get 20, then 15 times 12. Or we can simplify this and make our numbers smaller. I like small numbers, so I'm going to say 4 goes into 4 one time, 4 goes into 12 three times, and 5 goes into 5 one time, and 5 goes into 15 three times. So we already simplified. We just now just simply multiply. 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 3 is 9. We end up with 1/9. We're going to write that better, right? So 1/9. All right, let's move on. Next question. 26/27 or 26 over 27 divided by 4/3. So again, 26 over 27. Change to multiplication. Flip the second fraction. 4/3. Now we can do a little simplification here again. Let's do that in red so we can see our simplification. 3 goes into 3 one time. 3 divides into 27 9 times. And I can reduce this by 2. 2 goes into 4 two times, and 2 goes into 26 13 times. And now we'll just simply multiply. 13 times 1 is 13, and 2 times 9 is 18. And we have 13/18. All right, on our way. And let's do this last one. I'll change it back to blue, which is my favorite color, by the way. And so now we have 21 over 22. 21. Let's write that better. 21 over 22 times 7 over 3, flipping the second fraction. Now I can do some simplification here again. 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into 21 7 times. 7 times 7 is 49, and 1 times 22 is 22. All right, that's an improper fraction, depending on your teacher. You can leave it like that, 49 over 22. If your teacher wants you to convert this and simplify in its mixed number, then 49 divided by 22 is 2, and that leaves 5 left over. And so a mixed number is 2 5/22. All right, and so hopefully that helps you get just a little understanding of how to divide fractions, which is not that difficult. Again, keep the first fraction the same way it is, change the operation to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. All right, I hope that helps you. I don't know how they teach you in school or how you've learned how to do it, but that's how I do it. So thank you for watching, and I wish you much success.